With so many options, it might be difficult for beginners to choose the best piano keyboard. In this video, we will showcase the features and advantages of some of the top piano keyboards made especially for beginners.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Mustar's 61-key keyboard. For novices, the Mustar 61-key keyboard is a great place to start because it combines cost with a number of practical features. With its particularly designed lighting feature, the keyboard will provide light cues while playing, teaching, and performing demo tunes. Includes 2 built-in stereo speakers, 255 tones, 255 current rhythms, and 50 sample songs to help you better express your emotions. Unquestionably the ideal birthday present for kids, friends, and relatives. 3 clever teaching modes, 1 key, follow, and ensemble, are ideal for helping newcomers get started fast and enhance their performing skills. Music can be entered into this electric keyboard's audio input function and played back. In addition to playing single-fingered and fingered auto-bass chords, this keyboard may also be used to program or change rhythm, choose chord timbre, and apply effects like transpose, tune, vibraton, sustain, and ensemble. This enables users to link the keyboard to different educational programs or music applications, offering an interactive learning environment that can greatly improve skill development. Additionally, downloading new sounds and rhythms is made easy via the USB connection, which keeps your practice sessions interesting and dynamic. On number 2, we have Donner Keyboard. The Donner Keyboard is renowned for its superb sound quality, which makes playing it realistic and pleasurable. Its 61 keys provide enough range for the majority of beginner works, making it a flexible option for those who are new to the piano. The piano keyboard kit comes with a microphone, a power converter, a sheet music stand, an adjustable height bench, and an easy-to-assemble keyboard stand. It offers everything you require in a single bundle. Infinite opportunities. You can let your imagination run wild and take in band performances with 32-note polyphony, 249 voices, 249 rhythms, 50 sample tunes, and 3 instructional features. An LCD display panel on this 61-key beginning keyboard piano shows the current operations and functionalities. You can record your performances using the record option for prompt correction. The 1/8 jack-equipped headphones allow for private practice. Room-filling sound is produced by the DEK 610S electric piano's 2 integrated 10-dose speakers. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities because of its compact piano body. On number 3, we have Alesis Melody Keyboard. The Alesis Melody Keyboard expertly combines quality and versatility to provide a comprehensive bundle for novices. It is a great option for beginners because of its 61 keys, which are renowned for their deep tone. With its 61 keys, this electric keyboard piano is ideal for assisting beginning piano players of all ages in improving their finger strength and dexterity. 30 sample songs, 300 accompanying rhythms with auto-chord features, and 300 exciting built-in sounds with the option to split or layer 2 sounds and sustain/vibrato effects. Includes headphones, a power converter, a sheet music/tablet stand, an adjustable height keyboard stand, and an easy-to-assemble keyboard bench. Integrated metronome, accompaniment rhythm mode, which rapidly creates play-along tunes from 300 different genres, and record mode, which allows you to review your practice sessions. Beginners will like the guided assistance these teaching modalities offer, which lessens the intimidating nature of the learning process. The Alesis Melody Keyboard's all-inclusive package is another appealing feature. This usually consists of a microphone, headphones, a stand, and a bench. Because there is no need to buy any components individually, this all-in-one arrangement is convenient and economical. It is a hassle-free alternative because it comes with everything a novice needs to begin their musical career. So these are some of the best keyboards to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.